My biggest strength in the kitchen is that I can multitask. I can get things done in a timely manner. I like to have everything prepared and in front of me, and then once I use it, I like to discard of it so it's not in my way anymore. But at the same time, if I feel someone else has a strong point, I can step aside and let them take the lead. But I do like to make sure things get done properly. Cakes, I like to make cakes, like specialty cakes. I just like the design aspect, the way they look, the finished product, but I definitely think that there are endless possibilities. Ultimately, I would like to work in a bakery that specializes in like specialty cakes, like wedding cakes, birthday cakes. The art aspect, because there's so many possibilities. You can make anything into a cake. It's given me a lot of knowledge of different aspects of cooking, as far as like learning how to work with chocolate and sugar, as far as like pulling sugar and just making different types of food and breads, and it's preparing me for everything that I do outside of here. It was just over time, I guess, watching TV and seeing what shows had produced and the cakes that they had made, and it's always been something that I've enjoyed, so I just wanted to try and see if I liked it myself. We made macaroons, and we made them pink so they would match our raspberry filling. Basically, it was so fast, it happened so fast. We grinded up the almond flour and the flour and mixed it with the eggs that we had whipped, and we put it into a pastry bag and piped it onto sheet pans and then put it in the oven. You have to know what you're doing, but you have to be organized because it's hard to work in a space that isn't clean and everything is all around. Because if you're working and you have flour all over or powdered sugar all over, it can make it hard because you can get that product into other foods that may not necessarily need that, and I think it's very good to have a sanitary work environment. I think organization is everything. Making sure you have the right ingredients, the right amounts, the right tools to work with, all of that can help you to have a successful product in the end. There are just so many possibilities to what you can make out of a cake. And if you're doing a good job, that will enhance your business in the future.